So good morning children. So today we are going to start question number 4 of exercise 4.4. That word problems part we are going to try. Okay. So that the question number 4 is the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman is 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present days. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Okay. So now in this type of questions, that is questions related to ages, we have to suppose first of all we have to suppose the present age. All right. So let the Rahman's present age, let the Rahman's present age is equal to x. Okay. So Rahman's present age is what? X. Now can you tell me what will be the Rahman age 3 years ago? Suppose if my present age is 40. Okay. So 3 years ago what will be my age? My age will be what? 40 minus what? 3, that is 37. So present age minus 3. So similarly here also in this question, if the Rahman's present age is x, then 3 years ago Rahman age is equal to 3 years ago Rahman age is equal to what? Rahman age is equal to what? X minus 3, means present age minus 3. Again, what the second condition says. And 5 years from now is 3 years ago and 5 years from now, and 5 years from now, what will be the age? What will be Rahman age? It is what? X plus 5. Okay. Suppose if my present age is 40 years, what will be my age after what? 5 years. So Rahman's 5 years, after 5 years, Rahman's age will be what? X plus 5, and 3 years ago his age is what? X minus 3. Okay. So now come to the question. What the question says according to that question? The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman is 3 years ago. Now you see, 3 years ago Rahman age is what? X minus 3. Now we have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? इसको उल्टा कर देना है. So what will be the reciprocal of x minus 3? It is 1 by x minus 3. Okay. Then sum of the reciprocal of Rahman is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Again I have to take the reciprocal of the age 5 years ago. What will be Rahman is after 5 years? X plus 5. Now take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? इसका उल्टा. So x plus 5. And what we have to do? What is given? The sum means you have to do the sum. Then what answer I will get is equal to 1 by 3. Alright. Now the question is find this present age. Now this part I have to simplify and I have to convert this one into standard form of quadratic equation. Then only we can solve it. Alright. So first of all, let us convert this question, this part into standard form. So let us do this part. Okay. So now, what is the LCM of x minus 3 and x plus 5? It is x plus 3 and x plus 5. This is the LCM. Okay. Sorry, not x plus 3, it is x minus 3. X minus 3. Now, you know how to add the fractional number. So similarly here also the same process you have to do. So LCM divided by denominator. LCM, this is the LCM divided by the denominator. So if this LCM is divided by x minus 3, this x minus 3 and x minus 3 will cancel out, then what will remain? X plus 5 will remain. So x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5. Okay, then plus. Here also LCM divided by what? Denominator. LCM divided by the denominator. So denominator cancel. So what is left? This x plus 5 and x plus 5 cancel, x minus 3 is left. So x minus 3 into 1, x minus 3. So is equal to 1 by 3. Alright? Now, simplify this one. X into x, x plus x, twice x, 5 minus 3 plus 2 divided by x into x, x square, x into plus 5x plus 5x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 5 minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so it implies twice x plus 2 divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x, it is 2x, then minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Alright, now you can cross multiply it. Okay, you can cross multiply this one. If you cross multiply, you get 3 into twice x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus twice x minus 50. Alright, so simplify it little. So 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to x square plus twice x minus 50. Alright? Now it is still not in standard form. Again, I have to simplify a little bit. Okay? So let us simplify this one. So I am rubbing this part, that earlier part. Now, transpose all this part to the right hand side. So 0 is equal to x square plus 2x is already there. So plus 2x, 6x you transpose to that side, it become minus 6x. Okay, there minus 15 already there. Then plus 6 you transpose that side, that is minus 6. Okay, so is equal to x square twice x minus 6x is equal to minus 4x. Then minus 15 minus 6 minus 21. So we got x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So now this word problem is converted into what? Standard form of quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by any one of the method which you think it is very easy, and after that we will get a value of x and that will be your answer. So let us solve this question. Alright? So let us try to solve this question by using quadratic. I am going to solve this question by using quadratic formula. Alright? So is equal to x is equal to minus b. What is the formula? Minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So is equal to minus b. b is what here? 4. So minus 4. So plus minus root over b square. B square means minus 4 b square minus 4 into a. A means what? 1 here. A means 1 and c is minus 21. Minus 21 divided by 2a. 2a. A means 1. So 2 into 1. So simplify it this one. Minus minus plus 4 plus minus root over 4 square is equal to 16, and this is minus minus plus, then 4 into 21, 4 1 the 4, 4 to 84, okay, divided by 2 into 1, 2. So it is equal to what we got? 4 plus minus root over 16 plus 84, it is 100 divided by 2. Alright? So you can come to this side. now is equal to 4 plus minus, what is the square root of 100? The square root of 100 is 10. So it is, sorry, the square root of 10 is 100 is 10. So divided by 2. So x we got two answer. One is 4 plus 10 by 2. Another one is 4 minus 10 by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2. Another one is 4 minus 10 by 2. So what we got? 14 by 2. So is equal to 7. And this is minus 6 by 2. So is equal to, this is what? Minus 3. Okay. Now x we got two answers, that is 7 and minus 3. We will ignore this minus 3 because the age cannot be a negative number. So what will be the present age? We have supposed the present age of Rahman, that is x we got 7. So this one we have to take, that minus 3 we can't take, that minus negative, a negative number cannot be a age. So therefore age of Rahman is what? Present age of Rahman is 7 years. Therefore present age of Rahman is 7 years. Okay, I hope this you understood this question. Now we will go to the next question, that is question number 5. So let us try to solve this question. The question is, in a class test, the sum of Cephali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Alright? Sum of Cephali marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay, had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. In a class test, sum of Cephali marks in mathematics and English is 30. Means here, in this question, what is unknown to you? Okay, in this question, what is unknown? Marks scored by Cephali in mathematics, and what is the marks scored by Cephali in English. That two things is unknown to you. You totally don't know what is the marks she scored. But the marks scored in mathematics and मार्क्स स्कोर इन इंग्लिश द टोटल इज गिवन 30 डिग्री. बट यू डोंट नो, आपको मालूम नहीं है उसको मैथमेटिक्स में कितना मार्क्स मिला है और इंग्लिश में उसको कितना मार्क मिला है. दैट वन अननोन टू यू. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सपोज आइदर marks scored by Cephali in mathematics x, or either you can suppose marks scored by Cephali in English as x. It is your choice. Okay. So here in this question, what I am going to do, I will suppose let marks is scored by Cephali in mathematics. In maths is equal to what? X. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the marks scored by her in English? Now marks scored by her in English. Yes, that is the question now. That is the main part now. See dear children, mathematics plus English. Total marks is given how much? 30. Alright. Marks scored in mathematics and marks scored by English. Total that is given, it is 30. Now in maths, what we suppose? The marks scored by Cephali in maths is equal to what? X we suppose. English we don't know. My question is how much marks is scored in English? The English we don't know. So in place of English you write E only. So is equal to 30. So we want marks scored by Cephali in what? English is equal to what? Transpose this one to 30 minus x. Clear? So in English, how much marks is scored? It is 30 minus x. How I got 30 minus x? This is the explanation. Marks scored in mathematics plus marks scored in English is equal to 30. It is given. In a class where the sum of the Cephali's marks in mathematics and English is what? 30. So mathematics plus English is equal to 30. It is given. So In the what we suppose in maths is scored, let us say X mark. So English we don't know what is the marks is scored in English, that we don't know. So English, it will be the English. So English is equal to what? 30 minus X. So marks scored in English is equal to what? 30 minus X. Correct? Now we will see that one. We'll see the main question now. What the question says? Okay. So let us see this one. Now according to the question, what the question says? According to the question, had she got 2 more marks in maths, अगर उसको मैथ्स में 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिला था, ओके, मैथ्स में 100 मार्क्स, एक्चुअल मार्क्स कितना मिला था x, अगर उसको 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिला है, हाउ कैन आई राइट x plus 2 or not? Are you getting? Had she got 2 marks more in maths, अगर मैथमेटिक्स में उसको 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिला है, मैथ्स का मार्क किया था हमारा x, तो 2 ज्यादा मींस व्हाट? x plus 2. ओके, नाउ अगेन, and 3 marks less in English, अगर इंग्लिश में उसको 3 मार्क्स लेस मिला था, ओके, 3 मार्क्स लेस, व्हाट इज द मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश? दैट इज 30 minus x. 30 minus x. Less means what? 3. So this is our English mark. 30 minus x is our English mark. So English mark, अगर इंग्लिश में उसको 3 मार्क्स कम मिला था, so this is her English mark. So 3 कम means 30 minus x minus 3. Okay. The product will be, means ये दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करने से is equal to what we will get? 210. Are you getting? Again I am telling, going to explain this part. Had she got 2 marks more in maths, अगर उसको, if she scored 2 marks more in mathematics, अगर उसको 2 marks ज़्यादा मिल रहा था mathematics में, उसको mathematics के कितना marks था? It is x. 2 marks ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, so I can write x plus 2. More means what? Plus. Less means minus. You know already. So mathematics plus 2. 2 marks ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. Okay. That sign we will see later on. More marks and 3 marks less in English. अगर उसको इंग्लिश में 3 मार्क्स कम मिला है, तो इंग्लिश में कितना मार्क्स था? 30 minus x था. ओके, तो इंग्लिश में कितना मिला है? 3 मार्क्स लेस मींस व्हाट? माइनस 3. उस दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करने से हमको कितना आएगा बोलते हैं? We'll get what? 210. Now we have to solve this question. First of all we have to simplify, and after that we have to bring it in standard form and we can solve it. Alright? So let us simplify it. X plus 2 into 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x is equal to 210. Alright? So now we will simplify it a little bit. So what we got? X into 27 x into minus x square. Okay, then 2 into 27 plus 2 7s are 14 to the 54. Okay, then plus 2 into minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. Alright, transpose all the things to the right side. So 0 is equal to, if we transpose that side, minus x square, it will become x square. If we transpose 27 to that side, it will become minus 27x. If we transpose minus 2x to right side, it is plus twice x. And if we transpose plus 54 to that side, it is minus 54, and 210 it is already there. Okay, so now simplify this one a little bit. So it is 0 is equal to x square minus 27 plus 2x, it is minus 25x. Then 210 minus this 54 is equal to minus plus 156. So what we got? We can write x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So now this question is converted into quadratic equation. Now we can solve this one by any one of the method, that is by splitting the middle term method, or by what? Quadratic formula method, or by completing the square root. So let us do this question. So let us solve this question by quadratic formula. So so we know x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b is what here? To minus 25. So minus 25 plus minus root over b square. B square is minus 25, b square minus 4ac, 4 into 4ac, 4 into a means 1, c means what? 156. So divided by 2a. A means what? What is a here? 1. So now it is minus and minus 25. It is plus 25 plus minus root over 25 square is 625 minus 4 into 1 into 156, it is 624 divided by 2. So x we got 25 plus minus 624 root over 625 minus 624. Okay. So now x is equal to 25 plus minus root over 625 minus 624, it is 1. So divided by 2. So we got 25 plus minus square root of 1 is 1. So divided by 2. So we got x is equal to 25 plus 1 by 2, and another one is 25 minus 1 by 2. So what we got? X is equal to 26 by 2. So if you cancel, you will get 13. And if 24 by 2, so if you will cancel, you will get 12. So we got the value of x is equal to what? 2 answer we are getting. One is 13 and another one is 12. Now you see here. So what we suppose, therefore maths mark, if x is equal to 13, if x is equal to 13, what we suppose in the previous part, the mathematics mark is x. So mathematics mark, maths mark is equal to what? 13. Okay. Then what will be the English mark? English is what? X minus 30. 30 minus x. That one we suppose or not? So 30 minus 13. So is equal to 30 minus 13 is equal to 10 minus 3 7, 17 marks. So marks scored in mathematics is 13 and marks scored in English is 17. If x is equal to 13, though both we can take. If x is equal to 12, if x is equal to 12, then maths marks is equal to mathematics marks scored in maths is equal to what? 12. Then English mark is equal to 30 minus 12, because 30 minus x we have supposed. So it is okay. So this one is also correct and this one is also correct. Okay. Now let us try to do this question. Another word problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shortest side. Okay. Suppose you know rectangle. This is a rectangle. Let us say. Okay. So So what things are there in a rectangle? In a rectangle, length is there and breadth is there. Let us suppose this is L and this is breadth. Okay, this is length, this is breadth. So what the question says, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. Okay. Now the question is, which thing is totally unknown to you in this question? Which is totally unknown to you? For diagonal, some hints is given, and for we can say for longer side also some hint is given. Okay. Suppose this is the longer side and this is the shorter side. Okay. Now you see in this question, for longer side some hint is given and for diagonal also some hint is given, but for shorter side it is nothing is given. Only shorter side का साथ क्या कर रहे हैं? Comparing कर रहे हैं. Okay ना? So means here in this question the unknown thing is what? Shorter side. Okay? The total the unknown thing is what? Shorter side here. So we'll suppose let the shorter side is equal to be x. हमने क्या सपोज किया? शॉर्टर साइड क्या है? x सपोज किया. Okay. So now in this figure, let us suppose breadth is the shorter side. This is shorter side. Okay. And this length is the longest side we have. Let us suppose. Now question is given: the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Diagonal. This is the diagonal. Let us say. So what is the dimension of the diagonal? It is given. The diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Shorter side, what we have supposed? We have supposed x or not? Okay, x, and it is given that diagonal is 60 meter what? More than shorter side. ये जो diagonal है कितना, इसका length कितना है बोल रहे हैं? Shorter side जो है उससे 60 मीटर ज़्यादा means x plus 60. Diagonal is what? X plus 60, correct? Okay. Now, if the longer side, shorter side, this one I suppose, this is breadth, let us say this is length. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, now this will be the longer side or not? The length will be the longer side. So, for longer side it is given that longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. 30 meter more than the shorter side means. What is the shorter side? X plus 30, or you can say here also you can write x plus 30. Longer side कितना होगा बोले? Shorter side से 30 बड़ा. 30 बड़ा. Are you getting? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now you see this one. This is the thing we got from here. Diagonal क्या है बोला था? What is diagonal? Diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Shorter side we suppose x. And the longer side definitely it will be what? Length. So length is what? 30 meter more than the shorter side. More means plus. So shorter side is x plus 30. Alright? Now question is find the size of the field. अब हमको क्या करना है उसका? Length. We have to find the length and breadth. Okay? Now how to solve this question? Okay, so longer side कितना हुआ हमारा? Longer side is equal to x plus 30. Now you see, dear children, you know Pythagoras theorem. It is a rectangle. So if it is a rectangle, so definitely this is 90 degree. All angles are what? 90 degree, 90 degree. So if this angle is 90 degree, then this is a right angle or not? This one is a right angle and this is a right angle. Okay, so if it is a right triangle, then can I apply Pythagoras property or not? We can apply Pythagoras property here. Okay, so now in this triangle you apply Pythagoras property. Okay, so let us say this triangle name is A, B, C, D. Okay, so in triangle ABD, by Pythagoras property, by Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now in this question, in this figure, can you tell me which is the hypotenuse here? Yes. Hypotenuse, how we can find out hypotenuse? The sides just opposite to the 90 degree. The sides just opposite to the 90 degree is hypotenuse. So it is 90 degree. So definitely this is the what? Hypotenuse. Okay. So x plus 60 is the hypotenuse. So in place of hypotenuse, what we can write? X plus 60 whole square is equal to perpendicular. This is perpendicular. You can take x square plus, what is base? Base is, you can take this one. Alright. So x plus 30 whole square. Okay. Now expand. So now this one you expand. Now you see this part I can expand by using what? A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 60 plus b square is equal to what? 60 square is equal to this one, x square already there, plus this one again a plus b whole square I can apply. So a square is x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 30 plus b square is 30 square. Okay, simplify it little bit. So x square plus 2 into x into 60 is 120x plus 60 square means 3600 is equal, this is x square plus 2 into 30, 60x plus 30 square is 900. Okay. Now this x square is cancelled. Okay. Now simplify it little bit more. Okay. So that we can get a what? Quadratic equation. So let us simplify this. So now transpose all the terms to right side. Okay. So 0 is equal to x square already there plus 60x, it is there already, plus 60x. So 120x you transpose to right side. So 1 minus 120x plus 900 already there. Okay. Then 3600 you transpose to that side. Okay. So what we will get? 0 is equal to x square minus 60x. Okay. X square minus 60x, then this is minus minus 2700, so it is minus 2700. Okay, so it implies x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Now this question is converted into what? Quadratic equation. Okay. Now we can solve it.
Now we can solve this one. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0 by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Okay. So here b is minus 60 plus minus root over b square, in place of b square minus 60 whole square minus 4 into a is what? 1, and c is minus 2700 divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus minus plus 60 plus minus, so minus 60 square is equal to 3600 minus 4 minus into minus is equal to plus, then 4 into 2700 is 10,800 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to, we got 60 plus minus root over, if you will add 3600 plus 10,800, we will get 14,400. 14,400 divided by 2. Okay. And so now again x is equal to 60 plus minus square root of 14,400 is 120 divided by 2. So here you will get two answers, 60 plus 120 by 2 and another one is 60 minus 120 by 2. Okay. So this 60 minus 120 by 2 we can ignore it because you will get a negative number and side cannot be a negative. So 180 divided by 2 we got 90. Okay. So x, the shortest side we got in the question we have supposed the shortest side is x. So x is equal, so shortest side is we suppose shortest side as x. So it is shortest side is 90 centimeter, 90 meter, sorry, and the longest side we supposed x plus 90. So x plus 90 means 9 or 90 plus x. So 90 plus 30, so is equal to 120 meter. Okay, so that's all for today.